Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For my support, please like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to activate the bell to receive all new. Today we will prepare thyme and white cheese rolls. The ingredients is 4 cups and half of flour, 2 tablespoons of dry milk, a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of yeast, teaspoon salt. Mix the dry ingredients. Then we add a cup of green thyme chopped, a cup of vegetable oil, about 1.5 cups of warm water. We add water gradually as needed. Mix well until we get a cohesive dough. Grease the bowl with a little vegetable oil. Cover it and put it in a warm place for an hour. After an hour, we cut the dough into equal pieces. I cut the dough into small pieces to get a small roll. If you want a large roll, cut the dough into large chunks. Cover the dough pieces and leave them for 20 minutes. I prepare pieces of white cheese like this shape. We needed about 500 grams of white cheese. We put a little flour and extend the dough. Then cut it into 8 portions. Put the cheese this way and roll it like this. Continue until we finish all the quantity. Put the pastries in the freezer. When we want to eat some of them, we take out the number of rolls that we want so that the ice melts a little before frying. I will fry some of the pastries, so I take them out the freezer. Heat the oil while the pastries melted little. When the oil is heated, we start carefully by placing the rolls in oil until they are ripe and turn golden in color. This was our meal of the day, delicious thyme and cheese rolls for breakfast or as an appetizer at a happy party. Enjoy your meal. Thanks for watching my video.